Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Wind Kissed the Moon, chapter 6. So here it is. Let's read the story. Insert Peiyu and Song. Back to the banquet. Still, Tang Wangting was finding the future prospect lion, so she was chatting to anyone. Knew that teacher Tang's clothes were well made, but I didn't expect that she was even more beautiful than the Mijo. I heard that there was something wrong with the final dress. This time, was it teacher Tang who helped? Big Show is under control of Mr. Fei, so there will be no problem. But Mr. Fei's nice guy gave me a chance to see things. This is it. Come on, here's my business card. Wang Ting said, why not add on WeChat? Let me expand some high-quality customer sources. Oh, this girl, she was really a business person. More things about business. Girl said, ha ha ha, okay. But looking at Shang-Yi, he was looking at them and said, she's pretty skilled on adding people on WeChat. Oh, did you really get jealous? Because Tang Wang Ting was talking to someone. Well, right now, it seems she is really jealous. Miss Pei, Teacher Song, congratulations. Well, it turns out the show is really successful. There's a lot of people congratulating Miss Pei and Song. The two of them still together. Well, look at our Song. She looks really great. Also with Peiyu. Peiyu said to them, thank you very much. Oh, these two. They're really compatible to each other. Especially the relationship of them is getting stronger. This time, it was also thanks to Wang Ting. Well, Peiyu giving a credit to Tang Wang Ting. Well, she really did good today. Tang Wang Ting, I should be the one who thanking Miss Pei. Now, she's being modest. I will remember today. Tang Wang Ting seems to be pretty calm. Also, she is good in business. That's why she is always ready. But Song Yu, she noticed something. When she looked on the right side, she noticed that Shang-Yi, well, Shang-Yi, she's a little bit off now, especially right now. Looking at her, she looks really drunk. She was still holding a glass of wine, but looking at her, she looks really drunk. Well, someone must attend her, take her home, so she can rest well today. She should drink too much, otherwise you should contact her assistants and ask her to pick up Shang-Yi. You said, okay, I look for the phone number. Well, Song, she is worried on the surroundings, especially notice that Shang-Yi is not feeling good. This is the one. Looking back, Tang Wang Ting, didn't you just drink a glass of wine? Well, right now, Shang-Yi, she was really blushing because of getting drunk on the wine. Now, since she got drunk already, her assistants need to pick her up. Her face is turning red. Also, she kept herself quiet, alone and distant to all of them. Well, right now, congrats Miss Pei. The show was a success. Seems that the autumn and winter models are going to be sold off again. Thank you for your kind words. Peiyu greeted them. Visitors still arriving. Peiyu is being greeted by them. But for Song, we get in touch. I happen to have her assistant's WeChat account. I'm sorry to trouble you, but you see, Ayu can get out of bed for a moment. Oh, Song. She was really worried. Also, Peiyu. He was busy attending the visitors. Just send a message to Dwabao. Chang seems to drunk. Send you the locations. Come and pick her up. Dwabao said, okay, sorry for trouble you. Well, it seems to be fine. Right after then, Dwabao came in. But for now, still Shang-Yi. She was alone on the balcony. She was looking inside. On her point of view, she was seeing Tang Wang Ting on her side. But right now, Shang-Yi, she was blushing. Well, maybe she really fall in love with her. Looking at her, also getting mad, and someone approaching Tang Wang Ting. Still, on her point of view, she is seeing Tang Wang Ting on different side. Right now, Tang Wang Ting still busy texting on her phone. Well, at the moment, Babo came in. It's not like you don't know drinking capacity You don't have to drink in this kind of situation. It's a bit embarrassing but not too drunk, Chang Yi said to Duabao. He came home on the safe. Yeah, with your drinking capacity, you will be drunk after 2 more sips. Oh, that was tough. Only sips can get her drunk. Well, it was really hard for her. That's why she really got drunk. And she was still holding a 1 glass of wine. Well, for Tang Wangting, she gotten drunk in a short period of time. Fortunately, Tang Wangting contacted me. Otherwise, it depends on how you come back. Well, she was right, Papaw. She was really fond on Tang Wangting. It says that the people like Tang Wangting, beautiful and talented person, she was kind-hearted. Now, sitting on the couch, Chang Yi, all she can do is to listen to Duabao. Right now, Duabao said to her, "What are you thinking? Why are you ignoring me?" But Chang Yi said to her, well, probably it can't sleep on her mind that she was thinking again. Why don't I give you a Tang Wangting as an assistant? I see you praise her more than you praise me. Well, Duabao said, what to say? Well, Chang Yi, still, she was still drunk. In my heart, the left atrium is used to hold you. Okay, Chang Yi said to Duabao. Well, looking at the situation, Duabao said to her, really, you are my only treasure, and I can bear to leave you. You should do back your home and sleep early. I will took a shower and went to bed. Chang Yi said to Duabao, still saying silly things to her. The concubine resigned. Now she is pretending that she will leave right now. You must rest early. She was really a funny assistant to her, especially right now, trying to make her calm. On the other hand, she sent a WeChat on Tang Wangting and said to her thanks. Tang Wangting answered and said, it's okay, you can go to bed early. Oh, it's like a kind of sweet thing to her. But right now, Chang Yi, she looks really serious about thinking Tang Wangting. That's why right now, Babao is already gone. Now she left alone in the home. Still, she was thinking about Tang Wangting. Looking at this girl, she really looks serious. Maybe she really fall in love with Tang Wangting. Small Twitter sent a message, thanks. Tang Wangting said, it's okay, you can go to bed early. Tang Wangting's playing hard to get right. She is really tricky. So, the two of them will be together in future. So, more future cooperation with the two of them. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!